A twist of classic banana bread, this version with black sesame adds bold flavor and a beautiful dark finish. Do you feel banana in this?
Yeah.
Start with heating the eggs with sugar and brown sugar until the mixture turns frothy and change the color. In a bowl, add oil, tahini and yogurt. Mix it well. And add into egg mixture. Now give a good mix to all. Now mash the bananas and mix them into the egg mixture. Mix all the dry ingredients well and combine wet and dry mixture together. Now in a separate bowl, take black sesame paste, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of bread mixture in it. Mix it well until it looks little frothy. Now add this black sesame paste in bread mixture and give a good mix. But don't do overmix. Pour it into a bread baking pan. Sprinkle white sesame on top. Bake it in a preheated oven for 1 hour. Let it cool down for at least 40 to 45 minutes before slicing the bread. Enjoy.
Do you feel banana in this?